Hello everyone, this is Glitch. Today we are going to do a unboxing and quick review of this Ulanzi MT-08 extension tripod. So let's get that started. Okay, this Ulanzi MT-08 extension tripod is quite unique. Okay, let me unbox this and show everyone. Okay, there's nothing else inside the box. Okay, so it comes with two of these very interesting stickers. Okay, and a quick company product leaflet. Put everything one side. So this is the tripod itself. It's pretty well built and strong. So it's a tripod, 3 legs, and one of the, I would say, stabilizer or the extension mount in the middle. Once it's placed on the floor, you can see it's quite stable. This acts as the center of gravity. Very nice. It's not moving very much. One thing itself, there's this rubber pads that when you place it open up part, all the rubber pads have 3 corners. It gives some extra grip to the system. Very well built. So it's very easy closing it up. There's no locking mechanism of it fully opening or closing. So when you close it, you hear this. Let me open it up. So basically there's a gripping point for all the 3 legs here. See? There's a catch point. Here, here, and here. So when you close this two, and this one, close up very nicely. You will not be easily open it up. Well, when I'm saying not easily, in the sense, let's see, it's not going to be flickering easily open. At the side is all these rubber pads. It's rubber itself. It feels very sturdy in your hand, so it's very good for V-block. So this is the screw itself to be locking the ball head. So the ball head itself and the screw interface is the 1/4 screw. So this 1/4 screw, you can see, this locking mechanism can be fully removed. See, can be fully removed. Put it back very easily. I like the idea of this being matte red, so it's very nice. And matte red rim around this. The locking screw itself cannot be fully removed. So if it's fully tight itself, yeah, it's pretty steady. So releasing it, fixing it at the side, locking it. Yep, it's quite good. So having a good grip. Good thing about this one is extendable. So you just need to pull it. So there's 3 levels. 1, 2, 3. And you can push it back. This is the first level, second, and third. So this is fully extended. So when you have it mounted on the floor, something like this. Okay. For the length itself, let's give it a quick measurement from tip to the end. This is about 27 cm. Okay. We just have 1 level of extension. It's about 19. 2 level extension. This is 23. And of course back to the full, which is 27. Okay. The rod itself, we are fully extended, it's about 12 cm. When you place it back together, this is about, let's place it, this is about 15 cm. Very sturdy, good for V-blogging. For the top interface is the 1/4 screw. Okay. So this is another Ulanzi product, the ST05, ST-05, sorry, the ST-03. Okay, very sturdy item, very nice. Okay, so you'll be thinking, why purchase this additional tripod when you can buy any other cheap tripods? Okay, I have another tripod here, which comes as a free gift with some camera accessories I purchased, and also this kind of flexible tripod which I purchased it. This is free with something I purchased. This is something which I purchased it separately. Immediately there's some problems with this too. I actually broke one of this item. You can see the bottom of it, the screws attaching to the legs, the attachment, the mounting is very flimsy. It can break anytime. And one thing is, although it's extendable, it's taking up a very big surface space as compared to this Ulanzi. The surface space is so much smaller. Okay, and both of it can be extendable upwards. You can see the distance. This is even taller. Okay, so this is also one problem. There's no locking itself. So in a sense, see, you can keep it very easily, but also make it very not sturdy at all. Okay. This screw mechanism is also very flimsy as compared to this one. The Ulanzi series is much more sturdy than this. Okay. So, although this is smaller, but this is much more easier. You can see this help me with my grip much more easily. As compared to this, it's a bit small, too small for my liking. You can see that if I'm holding like this, this is out of my palm. Okay, it's smaller than my palm. Okay, but for this, with the screw attachment at the side, okay, there's still space. Very sturdy. For a person with big hands like me, this is good. Okay, let's compare it to this flexible one. The flexible one, I will not say it's bad, but in a sense it has the same problem as this cheap version. Okay, the legs are much more flimsy. Okay, and one thing is the rubber pad itself. I even have this rubber pad super glued to the bottom, but I still lose one. Okay, and one thing is the ball head attachment here is the same as this. It's very flimsy. Okay, so if you're going for something cheap and used for a short period of time or once a few times, this tool will be good. But if you're going for vlogging and for long-term usage, highly recommend this Ulanzi MT-08. Okay, as for the weight of this item, it's 91 on the scale. Reset. Okay, the 90, 91. But the product itself is around 90 gram, very light. Okay, less than 100 gram to bring it around. The interface is basically a 1/4 screw. Product material being used is ABS aluminum. That's why it's very light. Okay, the middle portion itself, this extension is not very easily to break off. And one thing, when it's closed, it acts as an additional grip. I mean, it's make it very sturdy. No complaints about this product. Very good. It's a cheap and reliable one. See you all next time.